Good afternoon, student of class 8. Today I will teach you about the new chapter. That one is the synthetic fibers and plastics. In the previous class, we have completed microorganisms. So, in the synthetic fibers, we have to study about the types of synthetic fibers, the different uses we have to study here. Children, let's start our third chapter. That one is the synthetic fibers and plastics. So children, in the previous class we have studied the chapter second. That one is the microorganisms. There we have studied many more about the microorganisms. So today we have to study about the synthetic fibers and plastics. Here, what is synthetic fiber? Children, you know it is a man-made fibers that are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum. So children, whatever we wear clothes, that one is either made up of synthetic fiber or natural fibers. All the fabrics are material made from many fibers. Fibers may be either natural or synthesized artificially. Or fibers are also used to make other household materials like curtains, mats, rugs, carpets, etc. So children, since then we know that rayon was the first man-made fiber that was synthesized from the wood pulp. Since then, synthetic fibers have become an integral material of our daily life. So children, you can see just the definition of synthetic fiber. All synthetic fibers are man-made fibers that are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum origin called petrochemicals. A synthetic fiber comprises small units of chemicals joined together in the form of chains. Many such small units combine to form a large single unit called a polymer. So children, here polymers are both man-made also, synthetic and naturally occurring also. For example, cotton is a natural polymer called cellulose, which you can see in the plant. So children, large number of glucose unit, while polyester is a synthetic polymer comprised of esters. Now children, you have to study about the different types of synthetic fiber. You can tell about the synthetic fiber many more types like rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylics. These all are the synthetic fibers. So rayon is the most widely used fiber. It has silky texture. Therefore, rayon is also termed as artificial silk also. Children, you know silk fiber is very costly. So, rayon is also used as a silk. Rayon is made by chemically treating cellulose obtained from wood pulp. Although it is obtained from a natural source, wood pulp, but it is a man-made fiber, so it is known as the synthetic fiber. It is cheaper than silk, so people prefer this rayon fiber as in the place of silk because it is cheaper. It can be mixed with cotton or wool to make bed sheets, curtains or other substances. Now you just remember the uses of these rayons. It is used in the textile industry also. You can use in manufacture of carpet also. It is used bangles and surgical products, whatever producing, that all also you can use. It is used to make bangles also, and all the items you can use this rayon. So next is the you can see here nylon. Nylon was first fully synthetic fiber made from chemicals containing carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen elements. Nylon fibers are very strong plastic and have high tensile strength. They can be drawn into very thin fibers. So if you beat it, and you can make the very long also, thin also. Nylon does not absorb water and is wrinkle resistant, not require ironing. It dries quickly and is easy to wash also. It does not shrink and retain its shape and appearance. Immediately you can wear also whenever you want to go. You kept just for that, then also you can wear. So uses of nylon, you can see it is used for the manufacture of tires, cord, fabrics and ropes also you are making by the nylon. So fishing net also and ropes for climbing also. It is also you can use for the fabricating sheets, for brushes, and you can making sarees also, socks also, necklace also. So children, you can making elastic hosiery also. So this all you are making by the nylons. Okay children, next you can see the polyester. Polyester is one of the most popular man-made fibers, which is derived from coal, water, air and petroleum. It is made of a repeating unit of a chemical called ester. Terylene is one of the most famous types of polyester, which can be drawn into very fine fibers. So children, the uses of polyester, you can see here, it is used in making different types of apparel such as shorts, pants, jacket, bedsheet, curtains, sarees, mouse pad, etc. you can make by the polyester. So polyester is used in making ropes also, fabrics for conveyor belt. This all you can make by the polyester. It is also used in fleece jackets, raincoats, medical textiles. This all you can use polyester. Okay, so terrycloth is a blended fabric made after mixing of terylene and cotton. When you mix this terylene and cotton, it forms the terrycloth. Remember children, when you mix terylene and cotton, it forms the terrycloth. Polycloth, polywool, etc. are other fabrics which are made by the mixing of polyester with other natural fibers. So children, fabrics made from polyester fiber are almost wrinkle free, easy to wash and have shiny appearance also. It is the polyester which made the fabric cheaper in India as well as in the whole world. Here you can see the PET, means polyethylene terephthalate. So is very popular form of polyester. Water bottles and many containers used in kitchen, whatever you are using in the kitchen, wires and many other useful products are made using PET, means this okay, polyester. That one all are the polyester. Next last one, synthetic fiber, that one is the acrylics. Is a synthetic fiber that resembles wool. It is just like a wool, but it is not a wool, it is resembles with the wool. So it is also known as artificial wool. So acrylic is cheaper than natural wool and can be dyed in various colors. Fabrics made from acrylics are warm to wear, retain their shape and are durable also. So children, you can see the uses of acrylic is used in making sweaters, socks, home furnishing, blankets and many other clothing industrial uses of acrylic. Okay children, go through this all the paragraph and try to answer these questions. Here, define polymer. Give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. Write the uses of the following rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. Name a synthetic fiber which looks like silk. So children, here question number 1 to 4 is the short questions, and number 5 is the manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping the conservation of the forest. Comment. This one is the question number 5 is the long question. So children, try to this all. If any problem, you can ask me in the comment box in the question time. Okay children, good luck.